How to track delivery stages in Excel. Today I am going to teach you how to do delivery tracking in Excel. Let's start. Here I have sample data. In this I have mentioned 3 columns as pickup, in transit and delivery. Now I will select these 3 columns and I am using shortcut key to add the checkboxes to these cells, which is Alt NCB. Also you can add it from the ribbon. Go to the insert and select the checkboxes. Now select the cell below the status to enter the formula and type equals xlookup, open the bracket, in lookup value type false. Then in lookup array select all 3 checkboxes. Now in the return array select the delivery stages cells. Press F4 to lock the cell. Now open double inverted comma and type delivered and close the double inverted comma, close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see it is showing as pickup in the delivery status. Drag down or double click to copy the formula to all the cells. If you click the pickup in the checkboxes, the status will change to in transit. Then if you click the in transit, it will show delivery. If you click all 3 boxes, it will show you as delivered. And that's it. You have now fully functional delivery tracker in Excel using just checkboxes and XLOOKUP. If this saved your time, please like and subscribe for more Excel hacks like this. Drop a comment below how you are using this tracker for packages, for food delivery, e-commerce. And if you want free downloadable templates, let me know in the comments.